Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno, an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today I received a question: will a will avoid probate? No, it will not. Thank you very much. No, that's not the end of the story. Haha, I tricked you. A will not avoid probate. Actually, a will is an invitation to probate. If a person passes away with a will and they have assets in their name, then you must probate the will. If the assets are in that person's name solely and there's no other method of transfer, I'll explain further. If a person owns a property and they have a co-tenant, a co-owner, not a tenant in the landlord-tenant sense, but just a co-owner of the property, like joint tenants, right? That would be a co-tenant. If they have a joint tenancy, the other person would get it. If they had an in trust for bank account, well then the person that it was in trust for will get that bank account. If they had a payable on death account, then that person will get it. But if they die with a checking account or a savings account in their name, if they pass away with a car in their name, if they have a 401k or an IRA with no beneficiary or a beneficiary that lapsed, then they would have to put that within the probate estate. So if you have a will, you must open up a probate. That's taking the will to the court. In New York, it's called the surrogate's court. And it really is the oversight of the court babysitting the matter and making certain that the executor will distribute assets and make the last wishes of the deceased person, follow those guidelines, those rules. So that's what that is. Now, I think that's about all I could say without going too further into detail, because a probate proceeding can be simple and straightforward, and it could be complex, and they run everywhere, every which way but loose. So if you would like to speak with me about your particular situation, if you have any questions, please go to callfrankbruno.com. You can make an appointment, or just shoot me an email, frank@frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you.